It's that time of year again. Let's do a holiday card brainstorm.
Gifts. People love gifts.
I think it would be great if it were snowing. Can we have snowflakes?
How about snow globes?
How about Frosty the Snowman?
Maybe we do something with our offices.
Hope. Joy.
Say goodbye to 2011.
Serious or silly?
We could show photos of our attorneys.
We could have stars or lights.
Maybe the message should be more about giving back. Or maybe looking ahead into 2012.
How about video?
What about some music?